Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a collage using Dazz Cam. So it's under photos. If you scroll to the very right, there is a collage button. Select it, and then select this arrow going down. Press this plus button here, and select the photos you want for the collage. I'm just going to select a few. Like so. Oh, I forgot. I need a background for it. I'll be right back. And then you're just going to select the checkmark button. And then select generate. Oh, okay, select a background. I just downloaded it from Pinterest, but you can choose any background you'd like. The background one is this one. Select generate. Then you're just going to adjust it. You can also randomize it again. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make this super simple. Oh, let me randomize it again to see if I can make it a little bit better. Okay, this is probably the best I'm gonna get out of this. Select save, and you're done. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!